Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow color and white color. Kids, now I draw 2D shapes. First we draw A. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and U is black color. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and U is green color. R for rose. S. S for sun. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use blue color. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.